Plant FAQs, Philodendron Pastazanum. My journey with Philodendron Pastazanum. As a plant enthusiast, I've always been drawn to unique and beautiful houseplants. Among my collection, one of the most captivating is the Philodendron Pastazanum. This plant, with its lush, heart-shaped leaves and impressive growth habits, has become a centerpiece in my indoor garden. Let me share with you my experience and some essential tips for growing and caring for this fascinating plant. See more 623 species in genus Philodendron at monsteraholic.com. Philodendron Pastazanum is a species of philodendron native to the tropical rainforests of Ecuador. It is known for its large, glossy, heart-shaped leaves that can grow quite large under the right conditions. The plant has a crawling growth habit, meaning it tends to spread horizontally rather than growing tall like some other philodendrons. This characteristic makes it a wonderful addition to any indoor garden where space can be creatively utilized. Is Philodendron Pastazanum a crawler? Yes, Philodendron Pastazanum is indeed a crawler. Unlike many philodendrons that grow upwards and require support like stakes or trellises, the Pastazanum prefers to sprawl out across the ground. This crawling nature makes it an excellent choice for filling out wide spaces and creating a lush, green carpet effect in your indoor garden. I have found that providing it with ample horizontal space allows it to thrive and display its full beauty. How to care for Philodendron Pastazanum. Caring for Philodendron Pastazanum is relatively straightforward, but there are some specific requirements to keep in mind to ensure it grows healthy and vibrant. Light. Philodendron Pastazanum thrives in bright, indirect light. Direct sunlight can scorch its leaves, so it's best to place it in a spot where it gets filtered light throughout the day. I keep mine near a north-facing window where it receives plenty of light without the harsh rays of the sun. Water. This plant prefers consistent moisture but does not like to sit in waterlogged soil. I water my Pastazanum when the top inch of the soil feels dry to the touch. It's crucial to ensure that the pot has good drainage to prevent root rot. During the winter months, I reduce watering slightly as the plant's growth slows down. Humidity. Being a tropical plant, Philodendron Pastazanum loves high humidity. In my home, I use a humidifier to maintain humidity levels around 60 to 70%, especially during the drier months. Alternatively, placing a tray of water near the plant or misting it regularly can also help increase humidity. Soil. A well-draining, aerated soil mix is essential for Philodendron Pastazanum. I use a mixture of potting soil, perlite, and orchid bark to ensure good drainage and aeration. This blend helps mimic the plant's natural environment, providing the right balance of moisture and air to the roots. How to propagate Philodendron Pastazanum. Propagating Philodendron Pastazanum is a rewarding process that allows you to expand your collection or share this beautiful plant with friends. The best method for propagation is stem cuttings. Steps for propagation. Choose a healthy stem. Select a healthy stem with at least 1 or 2 nodes. Nodes are the points on the stem where roots and leaves grow. Cut the stem. Using a clean, sharp knife or scissors, make a clean cut below a node. Prepare the cutting. Remove any lower leaves to expose the node. This is where new roots will develop. Rooting medium. Place the cutting in water or a well-draining potting mix. I prefer using water as it allows me to monitor root growth easily. Wait for roots. Keep the cutting in a warm, humid environment with bright, indirect light. In a few weeks, you should see roots developing. Transplant. Once the roots are a few inches long, you can transplant the cutting into a pot with a suitable soil mix. What to plant with Philodendron Pastazanum. Philodendron Pastazanum pairs well with other tropical plants that have similar care requirements. Here are a few companions that I have found to complement its beauty. Monstera deliciosa. Monstera deliciosa, with its large, fenestrated leaves, creates a striking contrast with the heart-shaped leaves of the Pastazanum. Both plants thrive in similar light and humidity conditions, making them perfect companions. Calathea. Calatheas, known for their vibrant and patterned foliage, add a splash of color to your indoor garden. Their care requirements align well with those of Philodendron Pastazanum, making them an excellent choice for planting together. Pothos. Pothos is a versatile and easy-to-care-for plant that complements the crawling nature of the Pastazanum. Its trailing vines can intermingle with the sprawling stems of the Pastazanum, creating a lush, green tapestry. Common issues and solutions. Like any plant, Philodendron Pastazanum can encounter a few problems. Here are some common issues and how to address them. Yellowing leaves. Yellow leaves can indicate overwatering or poor drainage. Ensure the plant is in well-draining soil and adjust your watering schedule to allow the top inch of soil to dry out between waterings. Brown leaf edges. Brown edges on leaves are often a sign of low humidity. Increase the humidity around your plant by using a humidifier, misting the leaves, or placing a water tray nearby. Pests. Philodendron Pastazanum can attract pests like spider mites and aphids. Regularly inspect your plant and, if needed, treat it with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Philodendron Pastazanum Silver versus Mame. My heart belongs to the drama of silver variegation, and both Mame and Pastazanum Silver deliver in spades. Philodendron Mame's leaves are like elongated, velvety hearts, each splashed with a dazzling, almost pearlescent silver. It's mesmerizing. Pastazanum Silver, on the other hand, boasts a more dramatic, paint-splattered effect. The silver seems bolder, catching the light in a way that makes the whole plant glow. While both are stunning, Mame feels more delicate, while Pastazanum leans towards a wilder beauty. Philodendron Pastazanum versus Gloriosum. My Pastazanum Silver is a slow and steady grower, content to unfurl a new leaf every few weeks. But my Gloriosum? That thing's a beast. The velvety, dark green leaves unfurl with impressive speed, reaching a size that dwarfs the Pastazanum. It feels like a jungle vine in my living room, demanding attention with its sheer presence. While I love the intricate veining of the Pastazanum, the sheer size and drama of Philodendron Gloriosum leaves me breathless. Philodendron Pastazanum versus Plumanii. Pastazanum might have the shimmer, but Philodendron Plumanii wins hands down for textural interest. Its leaves are a symphony of textures, with smooth, cool veins running across a puckered, almost leathery surface. The contrast is incredible, and the way the light plays on the different textures is endlessly fascinating. Pastazanum Silver, with its smooth, flat leaves, feels a bit one-dimensional in comparison. Don't get me wrong, it's beautiful, but the Plumanii offers a whole other level of sensory experience. Conclusion. Philodendron Pastazanum is a stunning and rewarding plant to grow. With its unique crawling habit and striking foliage, it adds a touch of tropical elegance to any indoor garden. By providing the right care and conditions, you can enjoy the beauty of this plant for years to come. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or just starting out, Philodendron Pastazanum is a fantastic addition to your green space.